How to create a local user account in Windows 11. Create a local account in Windows 11 when you don't want to use a Microsoft account. Each user will have their own personal space on the PC, including separate files, browser favorites, and desktop settings. In Windows 11, sign in to an administrator account. Select Start, and then select Settings. Select Accounts. You can select family or other users to create an additional account. Click Other Users. Then click Add Account. Select I don't have this person's sign-in information. Select Add a user without a Microsoft account. Enter the desired user's name for the new account. Secure the new account with a password. For added security, in case you forget your password, select your desired security questions and fill out the answers. Then, select Next to finish creating the new account. In Other Users, select the new user to view the account type for the new user. Click Change Account Type. Click the drop-down to view the account options. An administrator account has full control over the computer, can install applications, and also modify all system settings. A standard user has limited control over the computer and can only run programs and change simple settings. Choose the standard user account type and then select OK. Sign out of the current account. And then select the new user from the list of accounts. Sign in using the new credentials to begin using the account in Windows 11.